What's good, everyone? This is Country Trading back with you another video, and in this video we got another weekly update, and let's go through this update. Just to let y'all know, I'm still not trading I'm still trading on combines because I'm still waiting for Topstep X to release before I could do the micro conversions. That's the only reason why I have not did my funding accounts yet. So, but let's move on to the update this week. In this week update, I've been trading on this account right here, and last week was mostly an up and down week for me. I didn't really trade too well because I over traded a lot and I wasn't following my rules. See, you see on the 15th, I made that day. I paid attention to my rules, did what I was supposed to do. I over traded this day, but clawed my way back to be only down by $161. Over traded, but ended up 200 in the positive. This was just a quick trade, good trade any day right there. And this was just 3 straight losses and I was out. That's how quick it was. And that was more losses than I should take. I was supposed to take 2 trades and be done, but that was all on me. I shouldn't have been keep trading like that when I didn't really know the direction of the market. But this week was not that. If you want to see all the trades I took for the week, I'm going to put in the comments below the link to that video in the comments below. So check it out if you want to. But that's really it. And I got I got a free reset through Topstep from the whatchamacallit. So I got another account I could trade if I really want to. Let's see. I think this one is it. I don't know, this thing act kind of slow sometimes, so there you go. So yeah, this is a fresh account if I really want to trade, and y'all can still see I got my other ones pass, just didn't do the activations yet, but I'm doing them this week, sometime this week. So I still have my past ones. I just ain't trade them yet. So once I get to it, I get to it. But right now I'm still doing combines until Topstep X get released. Once it get released, I'll be trading my funding account. So that'll be it for the update on Topstep. So let's move on to the news. All right, this is the news, and let's get right into it. I haven't really looked at any of the news for this week, so as I'm recording it, I'm just seeing it for the first time. So let's go. Sunday, typical. Monday, we got nothing on Monday, so it might be a slow market day. Tuesday, we have a lot of overnight stuff. Well, we got flash PMI. So that's on Tuesday at 9:45. So that's gonna move the market. It's red folder, move the market. New home sales at 10 o'clock, ain't really much. And that's it. Let's move on to Wednesday. Nothing. Got nothing for Wednesday. So just a little orange folders at 8:30. Not gonna really move the market. Thursday we have the typical unemployment gains. We got the advanced GDP, so that should move the market. 10 o'clock, we got pending home sales, gonna move the market. And that's it for Thursday. So this week not even. And Friday we have core price index, so we're gonna move the market. And we have consumer sentiment, so that's gonna move the market. So, and also we got earnings this week, so more craziness in the market. So the market go up or down, we don't know. But earnings, we got some of the big techs this week with earnings. So watch out for it. Make sure if you trading the indexes, watch out for it, because the tech indexes, like the Amazons, the Googles, and stuff like that, I think they got earnings this week. I really do. So, but I gotta double check it. But if not, then I know they should be. But yeah, that's all I have for news. So let's move on to what Nas did last week and what do I probably see in trying to do this week. All right, everyone, we on Nas100 chart. So last week was mostly of a sell-off week, as you see. After all this chop that been going on, Nas finally started to sell off. And I think right now we're at a pivot point because we at this order block right here. Right now, that's right there. I see that order block. And also we at this. Hold on real quick. Let me make it a little bit bigger for y'all. There we go. All right, we at this order block right here. We're touching it right now. So when we go from here, this from right now, I see this could be a big pivot point for the market to bounce off of, especially because this is earnings week. So right now, so I got on the daily. So right now we can bounce from here. This is a good area we might could bounce from. As I'm saying it, no, but me, I like to go with momentum. But if I gotta see something out of this to really think it's time to bounce from here. But right now, we are just lasting in this area. Cause we already broke through this area, that area. We broke through all the areas that we had that we bounced up from before. So, because if we break through this area, this will be my next area we can visit right here on the daily. I like looking at the bigger charts first to see what price might go. Then I'll drop down to my 15 minute. But right now I'm not going to drop down. But I'm just showing y'all what I see, what price might could go at. Look by this, looking at the daily chart. So just by looking at this chart, these areas, we're in a big area of interest that I like right now. This could be go. I gotta see. I don't know what going to lead me to. I gotta see what price do in these areas. I don't feel like Monday gonna be really anything going on because ain't no news. But Tuesday we got news, so that's gonna move the market. And we got earnings this week, so that should help. And also we have some type of tension in the Middle East, so that also plays a factor in these charts. So I don't really know what I'm looking for, but I'm at this current time, I am just going to follow momentum down. I'm just going to follow down right now. The momentum is short-term downside. So we are at a pivot point that I'm looking at right now. What are we going to do at this order block? Is we going to pass right through it, or we're going to linger around it? I need to see direction. So that's what I'm waiting on. Something that's going to show me what direction. I'm just going to follow momentum. I'm not trying to go against the market or anything. And I'm going to try to keep my trades lower this week because I traded too many times last week. I traded way more than I normally do. So that's what I'm saying. Until Topstep X get fully released, I'm just going to be on combines. And I'm just going to manage more of my risk and stuff like that. But this is what I see for Nas so far. I'm going to do a quick rundown again. What all I said is basically, is we going to bounce from this order block, or we're going to go down to this next fair value, this next gap, this next fair value gap right here. So if we're going to bounce from here, or we're going to just go down farther, or we're just going to chop around in this area because we're waiting on big news to shoot up and down. So it could be choppy or break down. So each day is going to be different. Even let me check out the weekly, because I didn't check out the weekly in a while. Yeah, even the weekly, we basically inside a fair value gap on the weekly. Because look at that big candle for next week. So even for the weekly, you don't really have much. You only have this fair value gap right here that already been tapped into once, and now it just filled up that gap. So we just have to wait and see. And this basically is the order block too. So we had a weekly order block. So a lot of these higher time frame gaps and everything, they're gonna take more to react, longer to react. Most of the time they don't react right away. So we would just have to see. And up here is the all-time highs and stuff. So I don't see us going back up for the next couple weeks, or these earnings got to be good to shoot it back up that high. So just waiting. So this, all I can see now is just a big correction going on. So that's what I see. That's why we're going to finally be out of that chop. Because we was in a very chop zone. Look at this chop zone. So back to the daily. So like my plan for this week is not to get beat up in the chop. Really frame my trades on the 15 minute, then drop down to the 1 minute, and don't get distracted with the 1 minute. Make sure I always keep looking at the 15 minutes, see where the chart's at and what's going on. So, but that's all I got for this weekly update. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.